morning I'm just going to make some breakfast because normally I'm not the one who's making breakfast. I'm normally the one sitting down and then hear my name called Tosh come to breakfast. So yeah, it's normally, you know, the woman would be the one who made the breakfast, but that's not me for this morning. I'm just gonna have a woman's multivitamin gummy. I'm gonna have my multivitamin gummy. I don't know why this starting to blow up and I don't feel like who call it. This is for hair and nails, good for hair and nails, support energy, immune and bone health. So yep, this morning I'm gonna make a whole bunch of stuff at breakfast. I'm gonna make sure the big man belly well full. So this morning I'm gonna prepare some pumpkin, some eggs, some pork, and some cabbage. That's a whole lot of thing for 2 people, but yep. That thing in the background is a Ministry of Education meeting for people to do online classes, and Odin is tuned into that while I'll be making breakfast. So, alright, to start, let me, what am I do first? Put on the pumpkin to boil. No, somewhere easier, harder to cool. I'm gonna put that on first. So, which is the so I'm using this glass pot today, and let's get the water in it after. Let me try some water in there. I don't want to believe. Which part of the can I go to now? Like I have my barrel here. So the water, I'm gonna take a little water to me. Just add some water. Alright, it's not too much good. Don't want salty. And then I just put it on the stove. Literally, the whole plan for today was to do like a breakfast thing or the night in bed, and I wake him up. But then I forgot to say the online meeting was today, so there's no way I cannot involve. No, come in there, Charles. Wait, people, wait, hold on. After me come with my nostrils to me. Oh, come here, say, I want to buy what you got me in never short night something. They might complain and say what. They might complain and say people with them mic and things were sure. How about I go on for? Oh, no, I have to say. You know, listen.
Kayak talk. So the course that we are inviting you to.
Bobby, it'll be the Bobby coffee ask if we can see a variety. Like seriously. Do you all think that these corona cases are new corona cases or cases with backlog cases? Me personally, like 3/4 of these cases are backlog cases. Like, me not think them cases are just a combo, just a happen. Me not think that. Pumpkin look like him a sweat like him a go. Look like Tashoya. Do you all think these corona cases are a thing there? Because I don't believe these people that new cases or new cases. They lying. They literally lying. I'm cleaning out to take them out of the drain because, like, literally I said I didn't want any dish drainer, but now I contemplate like I literally need a dish drainer. I literally need a dish drainer because every time I do have a dish a drainer mat. That's if you don't want a dish drainer, you just put it in the sink. But I think it's a cut it right now. Y'all, so the stick mat metal about, I do have a stick mat, but I just said it seems like it's not good to right now. Like, I literally can't anything really long. This drainer. Like, I literally do need a dish drainer, but I'm not sure. My contemplation. Smell like the fire really extremely high. Yes, and I have to what this time is.
As I said before, they will be three.
The backfire and I've got two things there.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here when
Right now I'm gonna cut up the cabbage because the part is practically almost done. The pumpkin is, you know, pumpkin like don't cook like really fast. So I'm gonna cut up the cabbage and get it rolling. So it's going to just have to like nobody's using because the tripod a while ago just fell off, like honestly it just fell off. So we just feel about to stop to fix it, right? porridge is all done, but last go, no? And then you have to last go.
The reason you're here is to learn to become better teachers.
Alright, this is all done. This is all done. This is how last go, so audience have porridges. I'm saying I'm gonna try to look at my but it's okay.
And showing that you
I had some. Currently, my son's even mixed up really like everything. I'm pulling back out from the eye. Let's pull the bag. This has like garlic seasoning, garlic powder, so garlic this, so garlic that. I'm just a sprinkle some over this. And then after I'm gonna add some I'm gonna have some cock soup. I'm just add the cock soup to this festive mud. Yeah. And then I'll stir up all this put on the stove make it go and steam. So I'm just gonna add little water to the pot. Add some sausage because I want some sausage to be in the omelette. So bully patty this new first time or bully patty. Just like smash it up. See like something I'm burning, so now just throw off the thing them now the pot.
we don't expect that it will take more than 30 minutes. But we are making it available for the free house. So you know
This whole sausage that looks like a candy. Like honestly. This looks funny. All this is stuff. So the omelets are finished. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share out the porridge and the breakfast, and then from there you guys want to see how everything turn out, and then that's where the video is going to end. So yep. So I'm all done, people. Breakfast, whatever, and juice. The video is so loud over there, so I'm all done. So here's your breakfast. So
if you put it in the chat,
when
I can just find it, copy and paste it, and
alright. So people, I'm gonna have my breakfast now. Like that's the end of the video. If you watch it, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment, share this video, like the video. Until another video. Bye.